Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, tow hitch, rear park sensing with your backup camera. We get a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on each side, side view camera, turn light and spotlight indicated with blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do get this nice black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior, cup holders and storage with USB-C's, rear vents, 120 volt, and of course we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, auto stop start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 8 kilometers. We got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle for screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, tons of storage with cup holders, wireless charging pads, some outlets, your center console with tons of storage underneath. You even get an interior work surface with the mobile office package, which is pretty handy. Drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below. On the dash, we do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We have our park assist that you can turn on or off, hazards and traction with a nice 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at our screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF09531, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.